Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Upschooling. I'm your educator, Mr. G. Vishwar. This is the Saturday afternoon, and we are at Bonchak, Bhadrak, the administrative district of Odisha state. It is about 130 kilometers north of the state capital Bhubaneswar and 370 kilometers from Kolkata in eastern India. You can decide your journey by air accordingly. Dear friends, today we'll take you to Paliyabinda Son Temple, superb architecture dated back to the 13th century, which is 16 kilometers away southeast of Bonchak, Bhadrak. If the traffic is clear, no doubt we will reach Biranchinara Son Temple within a 40 minutes ride by road. Bhadrak passenger railway station on the Howrah Chennai main rail line is 5 kilometers from here. You can also take a journey by train for this Son temple visit. Here on the side walls, the cultural heritage of Odisha is reflected in a vibrant wall paintings. Dear friends, culture imparts flavor and animation to the social and religious activities of people. From this Apartibindha traffic chuck, we will take to left turn for our destination. If you go right, it will take you to Bhubaneswar, our state capital. Here you can see goddess Bonkabasuli temple, probably the oldest temple in the town. This is OT Road. This is the Shahid Smriti Bhavan municipality managed town hall for cultural functions with 400 seating capacity. We'll move straight. If you take to left, you reach Bhadrak Autonomous College, the second largest college of Odisha. Here you see the district headquarters hospital. Bhadrak Banka Bajar, this is Gandhi Padia. Dear all, a century ago, Mahatma Gandhi, our Bapu, arrived here on 25th March of 1921 during our struggle for independence for a public meeting. Here we are at an 150-year-old dilapidated Rajghat bridge. It is called Rajghat Bridge over Shalandi River. Now a lot bigger Rajghat bridge side by has come up. You can see this is Kuas Chak. If we take to left, we reach altogether at a new Dakshina Kali temple. I often go there to visit my veteran pediatrician friend, Dr. Samantha's house. Go little further, you get Bhadrak new bus stand over there. But now we will continue this sub highway 6. If we continue straight, we will reach National Highway 16 that joins Howrah Chennai. Stop here. We will take a right turn from this Chandbali bypass to reach today's attraction, Sri Biranchi Narayana Temple, the Son Temple at Palia village, some 13 kilometers from here. Dear friends, this route leads you to Basudevpur, which is 24 kilometers from, and Chandbali 47 kilometers, and Kendrapada district 95 kilometers from here. Our left side, you can see this is Bhadrak Rural Police Station. To our right here, the Indian Research Institute of Unani Medicine, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. Since Bhadrak is well populated with Muslim community, we have a Choti Masjid you can see here to our left. Meet our Muslim brother who is far away from Uttar Pradesh, has come here for doing groundnut business. Little ahead, here comes Khanka Sharif Gulshan Egul Park, dedicated to our Pir Fakir Baba, Sarkari Baba. Again to our left, here you see this is the most famous Bharat Mata Mandir, a meeting place for all the nationalists, patriots. To our right, you can see Carmel School, a senior secondary ICSE affiliated Christian missionary school. The place is Ichhapur. Ichhapur, dear friends. This is the juncture. Now, this is the juncture. Left turn will take you to Basudevpur, one of the subdivisions of Bhadrak district. We will continue straight. Here comes Dolo Sai, famous for organizing Dola Utsav, vis-a-vis holy festival of Lord Radha Krishna in the month of March, dear friends. Finally, we are at the gate to the Son Temple Palia. This local young man is saying that this left court will lead us to the temple. It is 2 kilometers from here. Dear friends, December is the month of cultivation. We are an agrarian society. People are busy looking after the rabi crop now. Here the village road divides. A railway line for cargo transportation that joins Bhadrak and Dhamara. Dhamara is one of Asia's largest port. You can see the boundary wall, how beautiful, decorated with worldly tribal art. Dear friends, Odisha has a distinct tradition of painting, architecture, sculpture, and your music and dance. Here, to our right, 46-year-old BNMA degree college in the name of Lord Biranchinarayan. We can see this is Odisha tourism road map to the Sun temple. Yes. So let's take the right court to reach the village temple campus. The village Palia has all sorts of facilities we have seen: college, school, hospital, a small market, playgrounds are there. So here to our left, you can see a 100-year-old Ramanuja Vidyapitha. This is 100-year-old. Okay, you can see December afternoon has invited all village boys to do sporting in the field and stay physical fit. Dear friends, wonderful, wonderful modern village environment. I'm excited to see the temple. And yes, we will park the vehicle here now. Okay, we have reached. We have reached. First, we will take you to the bank of Kundi rivulet of Lord Biranchi Narayan. This is one of the channels of the great Salandi river. Yajurveda reveals a hymn dedicated to the Panchabhuta. One of them is the water. Apahistamayo bhuva sta na urja dadhatana maheranaya chakyasi jo ahasiva tamarasaha tasya bhajatayanaha ushatiriva mama jasya khayaya jinnatha. Dear friends, this hymn tells us that water is the driving force of all nature. A river does not just carry water, it carries life. There is a saying, dear friend, no man ever steps in the same water twice. So it's not the same river, and here is not the same man. I love to live like a river flows, carried by the surprise of its own unfolding. There's a saying. Dear friends, a river cuts through rock not because of its power, but because of its persistence. The river Kundi, the great pious river here, rivulet rather, has great wisdom. And as if it whispers the secrets of Lord Viranchi Narayana to the hearts of men, beautiful, beautiful, a calm, cool and serene place. Dear friends, look just the opposite of this Kundi rivulet. We all see the abode of Sean Lord His Holiness, Sri Biranchinarayan. Dear friends, we see the outer wall, the boundary wall of this 13th century heritage of Odisha. Dear friends, Vedic knowledge has 4 systems in it, such as Yoga, Vedanta, Ayurveda and Jyotish. According to Vedic astrology, the stars and planets have a powerful influence on our lives. Sun God, here Biranchinarayana Bhagavan, is one of the stars. Biranchinarayan is the center of all the planets. He is the king of all planets. He is the storehouse of all the knowledge. The Lord is the son of Mother Aditi according to the scriptures and her consort Rishi Kashyapa. So he is Aditya. Rigveda reveals there are Dwadasha Aditya, 12 in number, and consists of Vaivashvana, Aryamana, Tvasta, Savitar, Bhaga, Dhata, Mitra, Varuna, Ansa, Pushana, Indra, and Vishnu, in the form of a Vamana, of course. So he is Kashyapeya. I remember him to this Lord Sun God. Om Japa Kusuma Sankasam Kashyapeya Maha Dvitim Dhvantari Sharva Papagnang Pranotasmi Divakaram. O Divine One, who is as magnificent as the hibiscus flower, to you, the blessed son of Kashyapa, how powerful, radiant. To you, the fire's enemy of darkness, the one who washes away all sins, to your brilliant infinite light, I humbly bow. Waiting has come to an end, dear friends. Here comes the temple man to open the lion's gate of the sanctum. Dear friends, let's take a darshan of the Lord Biranchi Narayana, who helps cultivate a resilient, active, and a dexterous mind, and he fills up with vitality. He helps to fills up with vitality and joy as we tune out from negativity. He is a radiant energy and can heal fatigue, strain, and tiredness from the body as well. Jai Lord Viranchi Narayan. Friends, you can see the temple is in Palia Bindha, as I told you, one of the 1370 villages of Bhadrak district. It occupies a significant place in the cultural map of Odisha state of India. The sun god of light and lustre stands as evidence of the heritage of Surya Upasana in Odisha, growth and development of the Shaura believers, the most ancient practices of worship. We see here the Lord Viranchi Narayan, who is enshrined as a roughly four-faced image of the sun. A square stone slightly tapering towards the top contains four carved images of the sun god in relief on the four sides of a slab. You can see, mark here, the figures hold two lotuses in two hands as usual and are depicted standing on chariots drawn by seven horses. The exact rendering in Sanskrit of this kind of description, of this idol's description, I can say, पद्मासन पद्मकर पद्मगर्भ समद्वती सप्तस्वरथ संयुक्तो द्विपराजन मोरबे. Dear friends, in the Garbhagriha, the sanctum sanctorium, along with Sri Biranchi Narayana, the Nairuta angle southwest we see Anantasayana Vishnu, Santakarang Bhujangasayanam Padmanabham Suresham. Lord Brahma appears from his Padmanabha, the lotus navel point. At this Agni angle, southeast, Ma Dasabhuja Mahishamardini Durga, and at the Aishanya northeast angle, we Sri Gopala Vallabha, Sri Krishna lifting Giri Govardhana on his fingertips. Wonderful, dear friends. So the temple man is taking us out from the temple to show the original idol of the deity being destroyed by Kola Pahada, the then Muslim general of the Bengal Sultanate under the reigning Karni dynasty, who is mentioned in the Mughal Empire records as the one who invaded Puri Jagannath temple and the Konarka temple with his army. And he also destroyed the Biranchi Narayan Sun temple during the same time at Palia village. You can see the destroyed idol and the other relics over here. So in general, the structure you can see, the temple structure exhibits the Rekha Deula type, the Kalingan style of temple architecture. The peculiarities of the temple include two door jambs. The Brahmin is showing us of the eastern door of the pure granite, and the sculptures and carvings of the two door jambs. He is showing us bear a close resemblance to the Shiva temples of Bhubaneswar and the Kichakeshwari temple, Khiching, Mayurbhanj district. So you can clearly see how the Karukarya is there on this granite stone, the one-piece stone. So among other festivals, the Brahmin is saying us that such as Samba Dasami, Kundi, Makar Mela, Ratha Saptami, Magha Saptami, otherwise known as, is important here, that falls on the seventh day, Saptami, in the bright half or Shukla Paksha of the Hindu month Magha. It is symbolically represented in the form of the sun god Surya, turning his Ratha or chariot drawn by seven horses representing seven colors towards the northern hemisphere in a northeasterly direction. It is also the mark the birth of Surya, and hence celebrated as Surya Jayanti, or the sun god's birthday. He celebrates it in this temple along with his wife Shangya and Chaya. Magha Saptami is symbolic, dear friends, of the change of season to spring and the start of the harvesting season. For most Indian farmers, it is an auspicious beginning of the new year. You know it. The day before this, on Shashti, I want to make a note of it that a particular sweet dish called Manohar, Manohar, a rice made cumbersomely processed with drying, melting, pressing with ghee and other Indian spices, sweet dish. So tasty is saying that you can come here to taste it on the 6th day of Magha Shukla Paksha. You can preserve it for more than 3 months. Devotees far from come here to place order of such sweet dishes. Dear friends, a mother, look here, he is also saying about the festivals, the worshippers family she is from. We met her here. He is a mother. She is saying that Odia, that Shamba Dasami is a festival unique to this place. It is celebrated on the 10th day of the Shukla Paksha of Pausha Masa, or waxing phase of the moon in the month of Pausha, December, January, as per the traditional Odia calendar. Dear friends, you can see in this temple complex 2 Shiva temples, one dedicated to Sri Siddheshwara Mahadev, Jai Mahadev, Jai Mahadev, and the other to Sri Sankateshwara Mahadev, are raised by the local, the then Jamindars. And some 15 years ago, one Jagannath temple is raised here for puja and all. Jai Jagannath. The temple Aarti is going on right now. So the temple priest is showing us the graveyard, cover stali of the assistant of Kola Pahada. We have already referred to Kola Pahada, who lost his life. The assistant lost his life here during the temple destruction by Kola Pahada. This is raised by the instruction, this cover stali is raised by the instruction of Kola Pahada to the east side of the Biranchi Narayan boundary wall. You can have a look of that cover stali. A whole lot of Muslim family have been staying here in close proximity to the temple since then. So dear friends, the priest is now in view that the sun's first ray touches the east face of Biranchi Narayana from the seaside. Where is the sea? When we asked, he answers that the Bay of Bengal is now receded to 32 kilometers from the temple. You can verify the map, dear friends. The Kasia port, Bidaypur via Chandimala Lakshmidaspur road, which is 30 kilometers from here. He is saying that the water table is not so deep here. The marine relics are prettily found here and there if you dig the earth to some feet. So dear friends, the servitors is saying that Sevayats are there for the service of this temple. 3 times a day, Bhoga Naivedya Puja are in practice. Anna Bhoga except Ekadashi, the 11th day of the Paksha or the fortnight, is offered here. The temple has more than 26 acres of land being taken over by the Devatar department, but only 3 acres of land are handed over to these Brahmin families for maintenance of the temple annually. So he feels sorry saying this, that for such facts of the matter. So on the other hand, he is saying that the deity idol of Surya Narayan, they maintain the idol by applying chuva oil, shishem oil, or mustard oil. It's evening puja time, dear friends. Is in a hurry to take us into the sanctum for doing the puja. Let us do the puja. So, dear friends, puja has started. In the Indian Jyotish, it is clearly mentioned, Om Kalinga Desha Sambhuta Dadimi Kushuma Prabha Kasyapa Martanda Bhairavaya Namaha. The sun rises from this Kalinga Desha, means the modern Odisha, took birth in the month of Magha, Krishna Amavasya, on Sunday. Nakshatra of this Lord is Dhanishta and sun sign is Tula Rasi. And he is in the Kshatriya caste and he has a red colored body. So the Brahmin is doing puja now. It's a very divine atmosphere. Probably he is chanting the mantras like Om Grah Hang Sah Suchi Sad Basurantariksha Saddhata Vedi Sattiti Durena Sad Nurshad Vyamasad Adaja Rutaja Adrija Rutam Brahata. In the Aditya Hrudaya Mandalastakam, it is written that Om Namah Savitre Jagadeka Chakshuse Jagat Prasuti Stiti Nasa Hetave Trayi Mayaya Trigunaatmadharine Viranchi Narayana Sankaratmane. Further, the sun god is offered with oblations. Om Namastu Surjaya Sahasrabhanave Namastu Vaishvanara Jata Vedase Tameva Charghang Pratigunna Deva Devadhidevaya Namo Namaste. Devotees over here, they come to worship Lord Viranchi Narayana for those dermatological defects or the skin diseases. Stuti testifies this also. Namo Bhagavate Surjang Kushtaragana Vikhandaya Aivaragyamaisharjang Dehi Deva Namastute. Dear friends, an unbroken history of the unusual people of this land, Odisha, has continued from several centuries. We had a wonderful visit of this 13th century Sun temple at Palia Sri Biranchi Narayan, the next non-Sun temple, conveying our thanks to Palia village and the temple priest Sri Ravinarayan Panda. We must leave for Bhadrak. It's evening time. I must recommend you to visit this place any time of the year. But winter is the best time, dear friend, from September to February. So while returning, we'll have a flash visiting of Sri Jagannath temple at Bhadrak Bypass Road, from where we had taken this diversion from the main town. So yes, dear friends, artisans are engaged in making articles of decoration required for festival days in temples, for their artistic expressions. See, the most decorated boundary wall of Sri Jagannath temple here. His Holiness, the Car Festival, the pastimes with devotees like Dasia Bauri, Manika Patna story, everything in detail has been portrayed in the pictures, the wall paintings here. So it is the irrigation colony of Chandbali bypass. Dear friends, here in this temple, Ma Banadurga, Lord Shiva and Lord Jagannath are being worshipped. His elder one, Lord Balabhadra, and sister Devi Shubhadra is also there. We have adorned this temple. They have you should visit this place any time of the year if you have time while returning from the Shan temple, Palia Shan temple. So dear friends, thank you very much. Please share the video as much as you can. If you're watching the my YouTube channel of schooling for the first time, please subscribe. Our beginning is our end, dear friends. Thanks for watching of schooling.